Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle, Mimi for short, but you can also call me Miracula. Wow. So guys, we'll be reacting to Morissette Amon. This one is Gustoko Nang Bomitao. I'm so sorry in case I don't pronounce it very well. But I'm going to turn on my caption to see if I can know the meaning of this one. But in case I don't really know, I'll let you know at the end of the everything when I'm about to give my commentary, so that you let me know the meaning of this song. As usual, Morissette always on the stage with her cute voice and her whistle voice. Let's check it out.
Wish 1075.
Umiiyak gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglaban sa digmaan, natalunan hanggang kailan, talo na, pagod na. Akala ko'y kaysa akin pa pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga? Lalakalag sa kadiliman, naliligaw, nalilito. Ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahimlay, sa dibdib ko ay parang may nakadagang walang kasing lungkot, walang kasing sakit. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ang sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Kung kalungkutan kong kaligayahan mo, kung pagkakapos ko'y paglaya mo, kung ang sugat sa puso kung siyang lunas dyan sa puso mo, paano na ako magpapalaya pa? Papakawalan na lamang bakit ang buo sa loob, pinanghihinaan na ng loob. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa ba siguro? Kalaban ang sarili, sino pang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Mahagulgol, ngunit wala namang nakikinig. Walang magandang pupuntahan, kailanman bibitaw, bibitaw na.
Guys, Morissette voice and range of highs and lows are exceptional. Gosh, especially the range in techniques. She is truly skillful and then naturally sharpened. Her voice is naturally sharpened. Gosh, for the fact she crossed her leg, guys, she crossed her leg and she was singing that high key. Wow, Morissette is really talented. Not only in whistle, I don't really hear her whistle here, but gosh, oh man, this voice is truly nice, fantastic, wonderful, and mesmerizing. Go girl, Maori, you got this one. Wow, she's the queen of Philippines. Philippines, what is inside that your water? Come and give me, let me drink. Oh, let me be singing like Morissette. Like, this girl is truly talented. Philippines, you guys are naturally wonderful and talented souls. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like, watch, and subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.